6. Physics, mechanics. Number of basic SI unit is 7. Which of the following is not the unit of energy? Watt. Light year is unit of distance. Which of the following is not the unit of time? Parallactic second. 1 Fermi meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Parsec is the unit of distance. 1 light year is approximately equal to 10 to the power 16 meter. Match list 1 quantity with list 2 units and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. High speed Mach, wavelength angstrom, pressure Pascal, energy joule. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Joule work, ampere current, watt power, volt potential difference, calorie and heat. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 acceleration meter per second square, force Newton, work done joule, impulse Newton second. Ampere is the unit of current electricity. What is the SI unit of Young's modulus of elasticity? Newton per meter square. What is the SI unit of pressure? Pascal. Curie is the unit of radioactivity. Decibel is the unit of intensity of sound. In the relation alpha equal to beta t plus lambda, alpha and lambda are measured in meter and t is measured in second. The SI unit of beta must be meter per second. Temperature can be expressed as derived quantity in terms of any of the following: length and mass, mass and time, length, mass and time, in terms of none. In terms of none will be the answer. One astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. Which of the following physical quantities have the same dimension? Work and torque. The most suitable unit for expressing nuclear radius is Fermi. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Joule, Coulomb dash volt, watt, ampere square dash ohm, volt, Henry dash ampere per second, Coulomb, Oersted dash centimeter. Which of the following physical quantities do not have same dimension? Force and pressure. Which of the following physical quantities have the same dimension? Momentum and impulse. Which of the following physical quantity is dimensionless? Angle, strain, specific gravity, all of these. Answer is all of these. Erg into second is the unit of Planck's constant. Unit of resistance is volt per ampere. If the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube in CGS system, its value in MKS system is, answer is 10 cube kg per meter cube. Potential is measured in joule per coulomb. Maxwell is the unit of magnetic flux. SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. Unit of solid angle is stray radian. Which one of the following groups have quantities that do not have the same dimensions? Answer is force, impulse. SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter. The SI unit of angular momentum is kg meter square per second. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Work. Pick out the only vector quantity. Impulse. Pick out the only scalar quantity. Power. Which of the following statement is false? The magnitude of a vector is always a scalar. The total path length is always equal to the magnitude of the displacement vector of a particle. The average speed of a particle is either greater or equal to the magnitude of the average velocity of the particle over the same interval of time. Three vectors not lying in a plane can never add up to give a null vector. Answer is B. The total path length is always equal to the magnitude of the displacement vector of a particle. Five equal forces of 10 Newton each are applied at one point and all are lying in one plane. If angles between them are equal, the resultant of these forces will be 0. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Electric current. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Speed. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Momentum. Distance of stars are measured in light year. The minimum number of non-zero non-collinear vectors required to produce a zero vector is 3. Masses of stars and galaxies are usually expressed in terms of solar mass. An object with a constant speed might be accelerated. When body is accelerated, its speed may or may not change. Which of the following graphs represent the displacement s, time t graph for uniform motion? Answer is A. In the following velocity time graph, the distance traveled by the body in meters is answer is 200. The velocity time graph of body moving in a straight line is given below. The displacement of that body in t seconds is answer is 6 meters. A bus covers the first half of a certain distance with speed v1 and the second half with a speed v2. The average speed during the whole journey is answer is D, that is 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. A bus travels for a certain time. Its speed during the first half time is v1 and that during the second half time is v2. The average speed during the whole journey is answer is C, v1 plus v2 upon 2. A car goes straight from a point A to a point B with a velocity of 40 km per hour and returns back with a velocity of 60 km per hour. The average velocity during the whole journey is 0. When the milk is churned vigorously, the cream from it is separated out due to centrifugal force. Which of the following graphs represent accelerated motion? C. A passenger in a moving train tosses a coin upward which falls behind him. It implies that the motion of the train is accelerated. If the distance as covered by a moving car in rectilinear motion with a speed v in time t is given by s equal to vt, then the car undergoes a uniform velocity. Definition of force comes from Newton's first law of motion. The known forces of nature can be divided into four classes, that is gravity, electromagnetism, weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. With reference to them, which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer is gravity is the strongest of the four. And the correct statement are electromagnetism acts only on particle with an electric charge. Weak nuclear force causes radioactivity. Strong nuclear force holds protons and neutrons inside the nucleus of an atom. Dirty clothes containing grease and oil stains are cleaned by adding detergent to water. Stains are removed because detergent reduces drastically the surface tension between water and oil. Acting on a non-rigid body, a force can reduce dimensional change. Motion of an oscillating liquid column in a U-tube is periodic but not simple harmonic. A monkey sits on the pan of a spring scale kept in an elevator. The reading of the spring scale will be maximum when the elevator accelerates upward. Consider the following statement. Assertion A. A tablecloth can be pulled from a table without dislodging the dishes. Reason R. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction of these statements. Answer A is false but R is true. A ball is thrown vertically upward, assuming the air resistance to be constant and considerable. The time of ascent is lower than the time of descent. A person stands at the middle point of a wooden ladder which starts slipping between a vertical wall and the floor of the room. While continuing to remain in a vertical plane, the path traced by a person standing at the middle point of the slipping ladder is a circular path. A man in a train moving with constant velocity drops a ball on the platform. The path of the ball, as seen by an observer standing on the platform, is a parabola. Two masses, each equal to m, are attached to one another by a massless string passing over a smooth pulley. The tension in the string is mg. A car accelerates from rest with acceleration 1.2 meter per second square. A bus moves with constant speed of 12 meter per second in a parallel lane. How long does the car take from its start to meet the bus? Answer is 20 seconds. A body starts from the rest, moves along a straight line with constant acceleration. Which one of the following graphs represent the variation of speed v and distance s? Answer is C. The value of which one of the following quantity remains same in all systems of units? Specific gravity. Two teams are pulling a rope with equal and opposite forces, each of 5 kilonewton in a tug of war, so that a condition of equilibrium exists. What will be the tensile force in the rope? 5 kilonewton. In the system given below, the masses are released from rest. What shall be acceleration of the moving masses? g/3. A block of mass 2m is pulled along a horizontal frictionless surface by a rope of mass m as shown in the figure given. What force is exerted by the rope on the block? 2F/3. A body moves with a constant speed along a curved path. Its acceleration is perpendicular to its velocity. The distance between two crests in a wave is given by wavelength. If a bomb dropped from an aeroplane explodes in mid-air, its kinetic energy increases. A light body A and a heavy body B have equal kinetic energies of translation. Then B has larger momentum than A. Magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational forces come under the category of non-contact forces. If the kinetic energy of a body is increased by 300%, its momentum will increase by 100%. If the momentum of a body is increased by 50%, its kinetic energy will increase by 125%. A body is lifted by a man to height of 1 meter in 30 seconds. Another man lifts the same mass to the same height in 60 seconds. The work done by them are in the ratio 1:1. In an elastic collision, both momentum and energy are conserved. When two bodies stick together after the collision is said to be completely inelastic. A bullet hits and gets embedded in a solid block resting on a horizontal frictionless table. What is conserved? Momentum. A rocket works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. A particle revolves around a circular path with a constant speed. The acceleration of particle is along the radius. For a body moving with constant speed in a horizontal circle, which of the following remains constant? Kinetic energy. Roadways are banked on curves so that the wear and tear of tire may be avoided. If a gymnast standing on a rotating stool with his arms and aren't stretched, anti-stretch, suddenly lowers his arms, his angular velocity remains constant. When the external torque on a system is zero, there will be conservation of its total energy. Consider the following statement. A four-wheel vehicle moving in sharp circular path at high speed will overturn about its outer wheels, skid outward. If the radius of the earth were shrink by 1%, its mass remaining the same, the value of g on the earth's surface would increase by 2%. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is g. If the diameter of the earth becomes double of its present value and its mass remains unchanged, the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth would become g/4. The weight of the body at the center of the earth is 0. Weightlessness experienced in spaceship is due to absence of gravity. Satellite having the same orbital period as the period of rotation of the earth about its own axis is known as geostationary satellite. Two satellites are moving in the same circular orbit around the earth. They must have the same speed. If the distance between two masses is doubled, the gravitational attraction between them is reduced to a quarter. The relay satellite transmits the television program continuously from one part of the world to another because its period to equal to the period of rotation of the earth about its axis. The ratio of the internal mass to gravitational mass is equal to 1. The intensity of the earth's gravitational field is maximum at the pole. The period of satellite in a circular orbit of radius r is t. The period of another satellite in circular orbit of radius 4r is 8t. As we go from the equator to the pole, the value of g increases. A satellite revolves around the earth in elliptical path. Its speed is greatest when it is closest to the earth. If the diameter and mass of the earth become 2 times their present value, then the weight of an object on the surface of the earth will become half. Planet A has double the radius than that of planet B. If the mass of planet A is 4 times heavier than the mass of planet B, which of the following statements regarding weight of an object is correct? Same on both the planets. Select the only correct statement from the following. The orbital velocity is inversely proportional to the square root of the radius of the orbit. A geostationary satellite has an orbital period of 24 hours. Consider the following statement. The acceleration due to Earth's gravity decreases if we go down from the surface of the Earth towards its center, we go up from the surface of the Earth, the rotational speed of the Earth is increased. Consider the following statement. The escape velocity depends on mass of the planet, radius of the planet. Who among the following gave first the experimental value of g? Cavendish. The escape velocity from the surface of the earth does not depend on mass of the body. If the radius of the earth's orbit becomes one-fourth of the present value, the deviation of 1 year will become 1 by 8 times. If the earth were to stop rotating, the value of g increases. If we move from the equator to a pole, the value of g increases. A pendulum clock is set to give correct time at the sea level. This clock is moved to a hill station at an altitude of 2500 meter above the sea level. In order to keep correct time on the hill station, the length of the pendulum has to be reduced. A spring balance is graduated at sea level. If a body is weighted with this balance at consecutively increasing heights from the Earth's surface, the weight indicated by the balance will go on decreasing continuously. Which of the following statements is true? G is greater at the poles than at the equator. If V0 be the orbital velocity of a satellite in a circular orbit close to Earth's surface, and Ve is the escape velocity for the Earth, relation between the two is V equal to root 2 V0. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 1 year. If the distance between them becomes double, the new period of revolution will be 2 root 2 years. The escape velocity of a particle of mass m varies as m0, m to the power 0. A geostationary satellite should be launched such that it moves from west to east in the equatorial plane. The plane of the orbit of an Earth satellite passes through the center of the Earth. The mass of Moon is 1 upon 81 of Earth's mass and its radius is one-fourth of that of Earth. If the escape velocity from the Earth's surface is 11.2 km per second, its value for the Moon is 2.5 km per second. The tidal waves in the sea are primarily due to the gravitational effect of the Moon on the Earth. If the Earth were to in faster acceleration due to gravity at the poles remains the same. The time period of an artificial satellite in a circular orbit is independent of the mass of the satellite. A ball is dropped from a spacecraft revolving around the Earth. It will continue to move with the same speed along the original orbit of the spacecraft. When a particle executing SHM, simple harmonic motion, passes through the mean position, it has maximum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy. The total energy of a particle vibrating in SHM is proportional to the square of its amplitude. A simple pendulum is oscillating in a lift. If the lift starts moving upward with a uniform acceleration, the period will be shorter. In order to double the period of a simple pendulum, its length should be quadrupled quadrupled 4 times. A particle is executing SHM, then the graph of acceleration as a function of displacement is straight line. If a hole is bored along a diameter of the earth and a stone is dropped into the hole, it will execute SHM about the center of the earth. A simple pendulum is vibrating in an evacuated chamber. It will oscillate forever with the same amplitude and frequency. The length of second's pendulum on surface of the moon, where g is 1 by 6th of the value of g on the surface of earth is 1 upon 6 meter. A girl is swinging on a swing in the sitting position. How will the period of swing be affected if she stands up? The period will now be shorter. A simple harmonic oscillator has time period t. The time taken by it to travel from the extreme position to half the amplitude is t by 6. A boy standing at the point O in the given diagram throws a ball 3 times with the same force but projecting it along different inclination from the ground. The result of the throws have been plotted in diagram. Which one of the following is a valid conclusion? The larger the initial inclination, then greater the height reached. Consider the following statement. A geostationary satellite is at approximately height of 10,000 km. FM transmission of music. Frequency modulation of music is a very good quality because the atmospheric or man-made noises, which are generally frequency variations, can do little harm. Answer is 2 only. Frequency modulation. A spherical body moves with uniform angular velocity around a circular path of radius r. Which one of the following statement is correct? The body has no acceleration. The body has a radial acceleration w square r directed towards center of path. The body has a radial acceleration 2 by 5 w square r directed away from the center of the path. The body has an acceleration w square tangential to its path. Answer is the body has a radial acceleration directed towards center of path. A car is running on a road at a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. The net resultant force on the car is equal to 0. The mass of a body on earth is 100 kg. Acceleration due to gravity g equal to 10 meter per second square. If acceleration due to gravity on the moon is g by 6, then the mass of the body on the moon is 100 kg. The working principle of a washing machine is centrifugation. A simple pendulum has a time period t1 when on the earth's surface and t2 when taken to height r above the earth's surface, where r is the radius of the earth. The value of t2 by t1 is 2. The Young's modulus for perfectly rigid body is infinite. The modulus of rigidity of a liquid is 0. Which of the following is not most elastic? Steel. The pressure in a liquid at a given depth below the surface is the same in all directions. It is easier to swim in a seawater than in ordinary water because density of seawater is higher than that of ordinary water. The pressure at the bottom of a liquid tank does not depend on area of the liquid surface. A piece of ice has a stone in it and floats in a vessel containing water. When the ice melts, the level of water in the vessel would fall. The operating principle of a hydraulic press is Pascal's principle. The pressure of the Earth's atmosphere at sea level is due to the gravitational attraction of the Earth for the atmosphere. An iron piece and a wooden piece have equal weight in air. If they are removed from air to vacuum, the wooden piece appears to weigh more. A floating body always displaces liquid equal to its own weight. Two pieces of different metal, when completely immersed in water, experience equal thrust. Then both pieces have equal volume. For a body float in a liquid with some portion outside, the weight of the liquid displaced by fully immersed body should be more than the weight of the body. A block of ice is floating in a glass containing water. When the ice melts completely, the level of water in the glass will not change. A steel ball is floating in a beaker containing mercury. If some water is poured in the beaker, the steel ball will move up. A bird is sitting in a wire cage which is hanging from a spring balance. If the bird starts flying inside the cage, the reading of the spring balance will be less than earlier. The shape of a rain drop is spherical due to surface tension. In order that a floating object be in stable equilibrium, its center of buoyancy should be vertically above its center of gravity. An inflated balloon rises to a definite height. Once it starts going up, this balloon cannot rise any further because at that height, apparent weight of the balloon reduces to zero. A body is just floating in a liquid. If the body is slightly pressed down and released, it will sink to the bottom. Bernoulli's theorem is based on the conservation of energy. Bernoulli's theorem is applicable to flow of liquid. Bernoulli's principle does not explain lift of a jet. An ideal liquid flows through a horizontal tube of variable diameter. The pressure is lowest where the velocity is highest. Two light balls are suspended as shown in the figure. When the stream of air passes through the space between them, the distance between the balls will decrease. When the fluid passes through the constricted part of a pipe, its velocity increases and pressure decreases. The rate of leak from a hole in a tank is more if situated near the bottom. Dynamic lift is related to Bernoulli's theorem. A gale blows over a house. The force due to the gale on the roof is in the upward direction. A large tank having a small hole at the bottom is filled with water to a height h. If the stream of water coming out of the hole is directed vertically upward, it will rise to height h. If a stream of air is blown under one of the pans of a physical balance in equilibrium, then the pan will go down. The velocity of flow of liquid through an orifice at the bottom of a surface of at the bottom of a tank depends on the height of the liquid above the orifice. Acceleration due to gravity. An application of Bernoulli's equation for fluid flow is found in dynamic lift of an aeroplane. A hole is made in the bottom of a container having water filled up to a height h. The velocity of water flowing out of the hole is proportional to h power 1 upon 2. An ideal fluid is flowing in a tube of varying cross section. At some point, the radius of the tube is r and the velocity flow is v. The velocity of flow at another point where the radius is r by 2 is 4v. Viscosity is the property of liquids by virtue of which they oppose the relative motions of its parts. Three identical vessels A, B, and C are filled with water, mercury, and kerosene respectively up to a equal height. The three vessels are provided with identical tapes at the bottom T equal to of the vessels. If the three taps are opened simultaneously, then which vessel is emptied first? Vessel C. Which one of the following curves shows correctly the variation of velocity v with time t for a small spherical body falling vertically in a long column of viscous liquid? Answer is D. The velocity of raindrop attains constant value because of viscous force exerted by air. The terminal velocity of a small sized spherical body of radius r flowing in a viscous liquid is proportional to r square. A small drop falls from rest from a large height h in air. The final velocity is almost independent of h. When the terminal velocity is reached, the acceleration of a body moving through a viscous medium is zero. If temperature rises, the coefficient of viscosity of liquid decreases. A small and a large raindrops are falling through air. The large drop moves faster. A liquid drop attains spherical shape due to surface tension. When some detergent is added to water, the surface tension decreases. If a liquid wets a solid surface, the angle of contact is less than 90 degree. A liquid will not wet the surface of solid if the angle of contact is obtuse. The tendency of liquid drop to contract and occupy minimum area due to surface tension. The angle of contact of a liquid with a solid does not depend on the angle of inclination of the solid to the solid liquid surface. The excess of pressure inside a drop or bubble is inversely proportional to its radius. When the temperature increases, the angle of contact of a liquid decreases. Two capillary tubes of different diameter are dipped in water. The rise of water is greater in the tube of smaller diameter. Kerosene oil rises up in the wick of lantern because of surface tension. When there are no external forces, the shape of a liquid drop is determined by surface tension of the liquid. Insect can move on the surface of water without sinking due to surface tension of water. Meniscus of mercury in a capillary is convex. With the rise of temperature, the surface tension of liquid decreases. The dimensional formula for universal gravitational constant is m to the power minus 1 L cube T square. The mass of a body measured by a physics balance in a lift at rest is found to be m. If the lift is going up with an acceleration a, its mass will be measured as m. When a body is immersed in a liquid, its force acting on it is upthrust. Water drops do not stick to the oily surface due to lack of adhesive force. Newton's first law is also called as law of inertia. If we want to calculate the pressure of a liquid at the bottom of vessel, the quantity which is not required to determine it is surface area of the bottom of the vessel. A man inside an artificial satellite feels weightlessness because the force of attraction due to earth is zero at that earth is. Fat can be separated from milk in a cream separator because of centrifugal force. A liquid drop tends to assume a spherical shape because of surface tension.